Hello everyone, this is a video on designing a simple house model using Blender software. As you can see, I have already done this. I'll be sharing with you the key points which are used in making a simple house design, and rest will depend on how you want to proceed. So when we start the Blender software, there are three things. There is a camera, there is an object, there is a lamp. Object is where we work upon, camera is used for the last output, and lamp is used for the brightness of the output. So first we have to go to edit mode. For that we have to change this object mode to edit mode, where we can work with this cube. Then we have to scale it by pressing S, so we can expand the size of the cube. Then we finalize by pressing enter. We can scale it to a particular direction by pressing S with the axis name like Y, so we can particularly expand this on Y axis. Once you are done with it, press enter. Then this is the base of the house. Then we are looking forward to have the roof of it, so we have to go to this menu, the face select, by which we can select a particular face. In order to have the roof, we'll go for this face, we'll press E, then we'll expand it little above, and we have a little base for the roof, and we press enter. Then we press E, then we press S in order to scale this for a triangular roof. Once we have this, we press enter. Then we go for this merge option. We merge as a center. Once we have this, we go for this option, which is vertex select. We press that. We'll expand this, and there is your roof. Once we have the roof, we'll go back to this face select, where we can select different faces. We'll select the different faces by pressing the control key and the right click in the mouse. We have to press it. Then in order to make some doors and windows, we have to go and select subdivide option, and we have to increase this division, and we press enter, and we press A to deselect all of it. Then we'll go for a particular face. We select a particular division by control, by selecting shift and this division. We'll press E to get this little bit inside to have a form of a door, and we'll have windows. We press E, we'll get this shifted a little inside, and we have a door and a window. Then we'll go for face select. We select this face. We'll have a material here. We'll go for new material. We'll assign a color to it, and once we assign, we have to click assign in order to get this color on this particular face. Then we select one more face, we go for one more material, we go for new, we go for any other color, then we'll assign it. So you have different color in the house here. Once we have all this, we go back to object mode, and then we'll press shift A to have a plane, which we can use it as the grass. Once we have the grass, we can go for material. We press add, we press new, we press a color. We give green color to the grass, which is obviously the color. Then uh, this is pretty much it. So we have this house with the door and the window and the grass. So once we are done with all of this, the output will be looking like this. So in order to get the output, we should press 0, that is the camera perspective, and then we can adjust the view of it by pressing uh, the numpad 4862 for the direction and minus plus for zooming in and zooming out respectively. Then we should render by using this option, and tada, this is your